Wyddfa's getting weary. She's crying out to speak. She doesn't like her crown as the most popular peak. I've journeyed 500 million years from way below the sea. Embedded in my rock shell specks sparkle, ignited by the sun. The sun, fragment reminders, fossils from my birth, features of my time here on earth. The tide must change, footsteps slow. What is taken can't be forsaken. Don't decimate the wilderness we are one. At the end of the day, when I entwined, your final embrace is in my arms, earth to earth, dust to dust. Yr Wyddfa's getting weary. She's crying out to speak. She doesn't like her crown as the most popular peak. My battle's never over, even for my name. It took 1,000 years to reclaim. Embedded in my rock shell specks sparkle, ignited by the sun. The sun, fragment reminders, fossils from my birth, features of my time here on earth. I've journeyed 500 million years from way below the sea. And now it's not this feat that gets discussed. It's the chaos left upon my slopes. The nature here, it cannot cope. There's microplastics in the soil, even in the water. Leave no trace. Or you decide my fate. If not, the giants from ancient times will awake and roar, like Rita God, who killed 100 kings not long before, and took their beards to make a cloak, so no more plastics on my slopes. Then Rita God stays asleep.